Selecting a career is a monumental decision that shapes one's entire life. It impacts various aspects and can be a challenging process. The average person changes careers multiple times, indicating the complexity of this choice, and recently, there has been a growing number of people thinking of dabbling into the exciting world of entrepreneurship. So today, I'll take you to the secret sauce to entrepreneurial success. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. First, let's go through the important aspects and advantages that come with entrepreneurship. Starting off with number 1, job creation. Entrepreneurship is a powerful driver of economic growth and job creation. As entrepreneurs develop and grow their businesses, they create new job opportunities for the workforce. These employment opportunities, in turn, have a cascading effect on the overall economy, leading to increased economic activity, consumer spending, and a boost in the standard of living. When entrepreneurs start a new venture or expand an existing one, they require skilled and dedicated individuals to help run their operations. From administrative roles to specialized positions, entrepreneurs actively seek out talent to fill these positions. The process of hiring and onboarding employees not only contributes to reducing unemployment rates, but also enhances the overall productivity and efficiency of businesses. Furthermore, the ripple effect of job creation extends beyond the immediate workforce. As employees earn salaries, they have more disposable income to spend on goods and services, leading to increased demand for products from various industries. This, in turn, encourages businesses across different sectors to expand and hire more employees to meet the rising demand. Entrepreneurs are often at the forefront of innovation and new technologies. They introduce novel products and services, which opens up entirely new markets and industries. As these new sectors grow, they require a skilled workforce, thus creating additional employment opportunities. Additionally, entrepreneurship promotes regional economic development. Small and medium-sized enterprises, or SMEs, often emerge in these local communities, contributing to the development of those regions. This can lead to a more balanced distribution of economic activity and opportunities across the country. Moreover, entrepreneurs tend to foster a culture of creativity and problem-solving within their organizations. By encouraging employees to think innovatively and take calculated risks, they contribute to a more dynamic and adaptable workforce. This mindset can extend beyond the workplace and positively impact society as a whole. In some cases, entrepreneurs who achieve substantial success may choose to give back to society through philanthropic efforts. They may establish foundations, support community projects, or contribute to social causes, further benefiting the local communities and the broader society. Number 2, self-satisfaction. The gratification of building something from scratch and witnessing its growth is unparalleled. When employed, individuals work towards fulfilling someone else's vision. However, entrepreneurs are driven by their passion and desire to bring their own ideas to life. Despite the challenges and uncertainties, the sense of accomplishment derived from building a successful business can be deeply fulfilling. Surveys indicate that a higher percentage of entrepreneurs report job satisfaction compared to those employed in traditional roles. Number 3, working within your own limits. Entrepreneurship is a pathway to empowerment, granting individuals the unique opportunity to become their own boss and exercise full autonomy over their decisions and actions. Unlike traditional employment, where one must adhere to predefined structures and answer to higher authorities, entrepreneurs enjoy the freedom to chart their own course. This sense of independence comes with a significant responsibility, as they must take charge of managing themselves, creating business plans, and making critical decisions that shape the future of their ventures. The journey of entrepreneurship appeals to those who possess a natural inclination towards taking initiative and leading from the front. For these individuals, the ability to set their own goals, define their work schedules, and be the driving force behind their businesses is immensely rewarding. The entrepreneurial lifestyle embraces risk and requires a strong-willed mindset to navigate through challenges and uncertainties. Moreover, being one's own boss allows entrepreneurs to align their work with their personal values and passions. They have the liberty to pursue ventures that resonate with their interests, leading to a greater sense of purpose and fulfillment. This alignment between personal goals and professional pursuits can result in a higher level of job satisfaction and commitment. Number 4. Capacity to increase income bracket. Becoming wealthy through entrepreneurship is more attainable than relying solely on employment. While it is possible to amass wealth through traditional jobs, the path to financial growth can be slow and limited by salary caps. In contrast, entrepreneurs have the advantage of scaling their businesses, which can lead to a significant increase in their net worth. According to statistics, a significant portion of wealthy individuals build their fortune through entrepreneurship, reinforcing its potential for financial growth. Number 5. Reward for efforts. One of the most compelling aspects of entrepreneurship is the potential for greater rewards based on individual efforts. In contrast to traditional employment, where salaries are fixed, entrepreneurs have the opportunity to increase their income exponentially. The harder they work, the more they can reap the benefits of their endeavors. Successful entrepreneurs constantly weigh the risk versus reward aspect in their decision, knowing that their efforts directly influence the growth and success of their businesses. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really helps us spread the ThriveWise love, so we can help more people thrive wisely. And going back, now you have an idea of what entrepreneurship can bring to the table. It's time for us to dive into the different skills and traits that make up a successful entrepreneur. Starting with number 1, vision and innovation. Entrepreneurs possess a unique ability to envision possibilities that others may not see. They identify gaps in the market, anticipate future trends, and come up with innovative solutions to meet customers' needs. Having a clear vision and the drive to turn that vision into reality are key aspects of successful entrepreneurship. Whether it's developing groundbreaking products or providing services that disrupt traditional industries, entrepreneurs are driven by their vision to create something new and valuable. Number 2, adaptability and resilience. In the dynamic and ever-changing business landscape, adaptability is a crucial skill for entrepreneurs. Markets shift, consumer preferences evolve, and technology advances rapidly. Entrepreneurs must be quick to respond to these changes and adapt their strategies accordingly. Moreover, setbacks and failures are inevitable in any entrepreneurial journey. Resilience is what sets successful entrepreneurs apart. They learn from failures, bounce back stronger, and use their experiences to improve their business models continually. To be a successful entrepreneur, you must be willing to embrace change and persevere through challenging times. Number 3, leadership and team building. Entrepreneurship is not a solo journey. Building a successful business requires effective leadership and the ability to assemble and lead a team. Entrepreneurs must inspire and motivate their team members, aligning them with the company's vision and goals. Being a good leader involves excellent communication, decision-making, and conflict resolution skills. A strong and cohesive team can make or break a business, and entrepreneurs must excel in fostering a collaborative and productive work environment. Number 4, willingness to learn and listen. Continuous learning and adaptability are key characteristics of successful entrepreneurs. In the ever-evolving business world, what worked yesterday may not work today. So entrepreneurs must be avid learners, reading books, attending workshops, and seeking knowledge to stay ahead of the curve. Being open to feedback, listening to customers' opinions, and paying attention to the ideas of others foster growth and improvement. Successful entrepreneurs spend considerable time improving themselves and their businesses. Embracing a mindset of constant learning and being receptive to new ideas are essential traits for thriving as an entrepreneur. Number 5, dreaming big. To succeed as an entrepreneur, Dreaming big is a non-negotiable. Successful entrepreneurs are visionaries who dare to set audacious goals. They don't settle for mediocrity, but consistently dream beyond what seems achievable. A successful business is built on a foundation of daring ambitions. Having a vision board, drafting to-do lists, and setting clear goals are signs of a natural inclination towards entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurs are relentless dreamers who keep their eyes on the bigger picture and take the necessary steps to turn those dreams into reality. Well, that's basically the secret sauce to entrepreneurial success. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.